Wait. What's up guys, it's Jazz. Welcome to the Neurodivergent Dog Trainer, and today we're going to be going over the 10-month Pupbox. We're only a little late, it's fine. So, this month's Pupbox obviously smells really good. That or they really like the taste of the cardboard. I'm not really sure which, but let's see. It's taken 10 months and I finally opened it up properly. Here we go. Wait. Dolly. Thank you, ma'am. So our little pamphlet is what to do if your dog gets skunked while you're playing outside, some safety rules for being outside, like keeping your dogs on leashes, training and development. Your dog's going to start slowing down on their growth spurt. You got to keep them stimulated or they're going to start chewing on everything. Keep exposing to new things. Sleeping is changing. They are going to need to sleep 14 to 18 hours a day, which is a lot. Did you steal a toy? You're not supposed to steal a toy yet. Leave it. Ah. Yes, good, leave it. Wait. Going through your toy bin, making sure that if they haven't destroyed all their toys, that you're keeping them clean, things like that. And it looks like it's gonna start teaching spin. So that's exciting. So this month we got a cute little water resistant light up thingy majig to go on their collar. Be real good for nighttime outings, which it's staying light here till like 9:30, 10 p.m. That's probably not gonna be a thing. How do we turn this on? Ah. This isn't something for you guys to eat. Ow. I have to open it up to activate it. Ma'am. Leave it. I will figure this one out at a later time. Wait. Dolly. Thank you. There's a couple things in here she's really trying to get to, which we will get to. You gotta wait. We've got some brunch bites made with bacon and eggs. Nice. Oh, do those smell good? We've also have a beef bone that is stuffed. That's what you guys have been smelling. You can't have it now. And then the two toys, sit, are a kiwi. It's an avocado toast. It's adorable. Obviously she's gonna love this one because it's ball shaped. Ooh, and it feels like when they take the cover off of this, it might be one of those spiky, squeaky balls that these guys love. The avocado slices are crinkly. Also has a squeaker. This one's stuffed, so that'll be fun to clean up later. But yeah, that is the Pupbox unboxing. Hey, wait, catch, good boy. Dolly, wait. Oh, that was my face. And we will see you guys at the 11-month unboxing.